Hey, stargazers! Today we're diving into everything you need to know about celestial retreats, those cosmic escapes for us earthbound souls seeking solace in the starry expanse above. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or just starting your journey through the cosmos, these specialized getaways offer a unique travel experience. But before you book your ticket to the stars, let's chart a course through the good, the challenging, and the absolutely spectacular aspects of celestial retreats. So, what exactly are we talking about when we say celestial retreat? Imagine specialized accommodations, often tucked away in some of the darkest corners of our planet, designed specifically for stargazing. Think cozy cabins with retractable roofs, luxurious yurts with telescopes on deck, or even high-tech domes offering panoramic views of the cosmos. These retreats go beyond your typical hotel stay, often equipped with observatory-grade telescopes, allowing you to peer deep into the heart of nebulae or marvel at the rings of Saturn. Many are nestled in designated dark sky zones, far from the light pollution that obscures our view of the night sky in urban areas. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or a curious beginner, celestial retreats offer a unique opportunity to reconnect with the cosmos. Now, before you pack your bags and blast off to your celestial getaway, let's talk about some practicalities. One of the biggest draws of celestial retreats is their remote location, often nestled in the heart of dark sky preserves, far from city lights. But this isolation, while essential for optimal stargazing, comes with its own set of logistical considerations. Transportation costs can be significant, with flights to remote areas often pricier and less frequent. Accessibility is another important consideration. While some retreats offer accommodations for mobility-challenged travelers, the remote nature can present limitations. So, while the allure of pristine dark skies is undeniable, factoring in travel time, costs, and accessibility will ensure your celestial escape is a smooth journey from start to finish. Chapter 3: Separating the Stars from the Stargazers. Ensuring authenticity. Before you book that celestial retreat, it's time to channel our inner Carl Sagan and embrace a healthy dose of skepticism. Sadly, in the vast universe of travel experiences, not all that glitters is cosmic gold. Look for retreats affiliated with reputable astronomy organizations or those boasting certifications from recognized dark sky associations. Investigate the staff. Are there trained astronomers or experienced amateur astronomers on site to guide your celestial explorations? Seek out recent testimonials from fellow travelers. Websites and forums dedicated to astronomy and astrotourism can offer valuable insights. A true celestial retreat will proudly showcase its telescopes and stargazing tools. Ask about the types and quality of their equipment. Remember, a little bit of cosmic due diligence goes a long way in ensuring your celestial retreat is truly out of this world. Chapter 4: Weathering the Storm, Planning for Celestial Clarity. Even the most powerful telescopes and enthusiastic astronomers are at the mercy of one fickle factor: the weather. Timing is everything. Research the best time of year to visit your chosen destination for optimal stargazing conditions. Dry seasons typically offer the clearest skies, while periods of high humidity or monsoon seasons can cloud out even the brightest stars. Inquire about backup activities offered by the retreat in case of inclement weather. Some might have indoor planetariums or astronomy-themed presentations. Understand the cancellation policies related to weather. Knowing your options in case of unforeseen celestial obstructions can provide peace of mind. A little bit of planning and flexibility can make all the difference in ensuring your celestial retreat is a shining success. Chapter 5: Making every star count, maximizing your celestial retreat. You've booked your retreat, packed your bags, and you're ready to embark on a journey through the cosmos. Timing is key. Consult a lunar calendar and aim for dates that coincide with a new moon phase. Consider the duration of your stay. To truly immerse yourself, a minimum of 2 to 3 nights is recommended. Pack layers of warm clothing, including hats, gloves, and thick socks, to ensure comfort while stargazing. A red light flashlight is essential for navigating your surroundings at night without disrupting your night vision. Download stargazing apps like Stellarium or Sky Safari beforehand to familiarize yourself with the constellations and celestial objects you might encounter. A little bit of pre-trip planning and packing with purpose can transform your celestial retreat from a memorable experience into a truly transformative cosmic adventure. Outro: until next time, keep looking up. So there you have it, fellow stargazers, your guide to navigating the awe-inspiring world of celestial retreats. From remote locations and authentic experiences to weather considerations and maximizing your stay, a little bit of planning goes a long way in ensuring your journey is truly stellar. Have you ever been to a celestial retreat? Share your experiences, tips, and favorite stargazing moments in the comments below. If you found this cosmic guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and astronomical adventures. Until next time, keep looking up.